Don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with your friends.
Hi all, welcome back to Magic of Economics. Starting with money and banking. Money we already completed. So starting with banking. Okay, you all must be knowing there are two types of banks. Means scheduled and non-scheduled banks. We are only talking about RBI and scheduled banks. Scheduled banks means commercial banks. So RBI and commercial banks. 12th standard we only have to study RBI and commercial banks. So first I am going to explain about what is RBI, then I am going to commercial bank, then only RBI and functions. Ready? Ready to listen? Yes. Okay. Commercial bank and RBI. RBI you all know, Reserve Bank of India. And commercial bank, all other banks, means where we are depositing, those banks are called what? Commercial banks. In India, Canara Bank is there, Federal Bank is there, SBT, SBI, so many types of what? ICICI, Axis Bank, S Bank. These all are what actually commercial banks. Means the scheduled banks. They have to work according to RBI. RBI has set certain rules and regulations. According to that, each and every commercial bank supposed to work. Means RBI is instructing the commercial banks to work according to the rules and regulations of RBI. Okay. Now, what are the functions of commercial bank? Functions of commercial banks can be divided into two. Primary functions, secondary functions. Primary function. Under primary function, there are two. First one, accepting deposits, and second one, advancing loans. So first I am going to explain about primary function, main function. First one, accepting deposit. We all know, we all are depositing money where? In bank. So bank is doing what? Accepting our deposits. Means if any one of you or me is having surplus of money, means extra money in our hand, we keep it where? In the bank. That is called what? Deposit. So the commercial bank supposed to accept the deposit. There are two types of deposits. First one, checkable deposits. Second, non-checkable deposits. So checkable deposit, another name is demand deposit. Last chapter I already explained. Means on check, on demand, you will be able to withdraw the money is called what? Checkable deposit. I hope you all know check. Check means a piece of paper. You will get from where? From the bank. Yes, I am going to show you. This is what? Check. You will be able to see like pay and rupees. And pay you have to write what? Either the person's name. I am telling me is called A and I want to give money to B. Then B's name I supposed to write here, and then rupees I supposed to write down. That is actually check. If you don't want anyone else should take the money, means you lost the check, for example, then if you are writing self on the top, anyone is getting what? Check will be able to go and take the money. For that, you have to do what? You can cross the check. Two lines you can put here. Then no one will be able to take the money. If you are giving to B, only B can go and take the money from the bank. Non-checkable deposits. Non-checkable deposits are such kind of deposit you want to be able to withdraw the money on check. Means after a fixed period of time only you will be able to withdraw the money. That deposit is called what? Fixed deposit. For example, you are depositing money for 3 years. Then after a year, you want that money back. You are going to bank and telling them like, I already deposited, for example, 5 lakh you deposited, okay? 5 lakhs I deposited, so I want 2 lakhs from that money. What bank will tell you? You deposited money for 3 years. So, after 3 years only, you will be able to withdraw the money. That is the rule. So, what do you have to do? You may have to apply for loan. Actually, that is the second function of commercial bank. One more time, primary function. What is the primary function? First one, accepting deposit in the form of checkable and non-checkable. Checkable means on check you will be able to withdraw the money. Non-checkable means you won't be able to withdraw the money against check. So, example of checkable, demand deposit. This is non-checkable, fixed deposit. Second one, I am going to advancing loans. Okay. What is advancing loans? You all know, if we have any difficulty, if the people are having difficulty, normally they will apply for loan. But anyone and everyone for anything and everything, do we apply loan or do we go for loan? No. Is it possible? First of all, it is not possible is the answer. If you are advancing loans means you have to apply loan. Bank advance loans for productive purposes. You want to go for a marriage or you want to buy a sari, you want to have biryani. These all things bank will not give you loan. You want to start a business, you want to buy a machine. These all things like productive purposes bank will give you loan. And the loan amount will be much less than the security. What is security? It called actually in banking term is collateral. For example, you are giving your 10 lakh worth of ornaments to the bank. Bank may give you only 9 lakhs in your hand. That means 10% less only you will be getting from bank. And they have to keep certain percentage of money with whom actually reserve bank. That is called reserve, means CRR, means each and every commercial bank supposed to keep certain percentage of money with whom? RBI. Commercial bank is not going to give money in your hand. You have to start a new account. Bank will not give money in your hand. It will be in the form of demand deposit. So, what is the second function? Advancing loans. So, how they will give you loan? For productive purposes. What you have to give? You have to give a collateral security. It can be in the form of gold, land document, anything like that. Valuable items. And bank will give much less than your security. So, and they will give in the form of demand deposits. Hope it is very clear. Going to the secondary functions. Starting with secondary functions. There are many more secondary functions also bank is having. So, few functions I am going to explain here. Under secondary function, first one, collection and payment of various items. Collection and payment of various items. For example, if you have a house at India, on behalf of you, the bank can collect rent from your house, and bank can actually pay your insurance premium, as well as bank can collect tax. So many more things are there like that. As well as second one, remitting of money. If your father is working at Dubai, Kuwait, or somewhere like that, so how he is sending money to you? Through bank only he is sending money. So that is remitting of money. Next, locker facilities, where you normally keep your valid documents, ornaments, land registration document. This all you can keep in bank. Okay, next, business information and statistics. If you have a good relationship with the bank, if you want to invest in business, so you can ask your bank, like they must be knowing better than you about the market. So you can ask them, you can take advice from your bank. Such kind of advices also who will give? Your bank will give. Many more functions actually the bank has. Transporting goods, travelers check, underwriting, letter of reference, trustee and executor, like that many functions are there. So accepting deposit and advancing loans you have to remember, as well as many more functions are there. Few functions also you are supposed to remember. Okay, bye bye. Next, credit creation by commercial bank. See you soon.